Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Jason Gaddie. I got the GoPro Hero 8 and I've got it on a floater attachment that makes it float, and this thing will acclimate to whichever way you have it facing. So like right now it's completely upside down, so when it floats it'll be right side up. It'll show right side up even though the GoPro itself is upside down. So I'm the only one in the pool right now because the pool's a little cold. It's cloudy outside, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to float this thing upside down until the battery runs out, until people start getting in the pool, until the GoPro leaks and it doesn't work anymore. I don't know, but I'm just going to float it upside down, and then I'm going to fast forward the clip so you can kind of see what you get with this, and so we'll see what happens. What are you doing?
Trying to get some sun. Well, I'm getting some sun. There's no stars too. It's hot out here now.
Hot. You know, you can't zoom any more than whatever it's already set on once you get going.
What you got is what
What you got is what
you got.
you got, baby.
That's not what you got. It's all you need.
Yeah. Oh, there's an ant. Where'd he go? Alright, it's going back under the water. She don't know what I'm doing there. Who we got there? What are you doing? Sunburnt? Yeah, me too. Me too. I can already feel me getting crispier. I can feel me getting crispier. No. We're trying. This could be on your fans only. Screen goes black. It's got 16% battery left. Huh?
What did you have?
100.
Wow.
But I've got really close to an hour's worth of video. Between an hour underwater and off the side of the pool and whatever.
I guess that's pretty good. I don't know. What do you think?
Yes, ma'am. I think I could probably edit this for your fans on IG though. I think they'd appreciate it. Huh?
I think so.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Smells cigarettes. Oh, you're lucky. What's that? Probably over there doing construction. Huh? 12. 40 minutes of video on this one. And I've got one that's like 16. It was just like floating around the pool. But when the other guy got in there, I just immediately threw it up here. Like I said, I didn't want to create any issues. Too bad this screen isn't bigger. You know, this GoPro would be really cool. If this GoPro would be better if they were to make it twice the size, like almost regular camera size.
But all the GoPros are that size, right?
They got one that's bigger, but I don't know anything about it. And it's only one, so it's I don't know if they got the bugs worked out of it or not. Looking at 9% battery. What's that? Yeah, probably. Pick Boo. Hey Boo. Yeah. You're gonna look like you're about 80 feet away from me. Huh? Yeah. You're probably what, maybe 10? Yeah. $6%, I think. I got.
Why is it going so much faster now?
Oh. Maybe there's a lot more information since it's like there's a bunch of colors. I don't know. I don't know how it all works. It's about 5% now. Dun, 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 dun. You know, 5%. Dun, 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 dun. Dun.
You doing the countdown?
Yeah. It's the final countdown. Yeah, I think I'm gonna throw this thing under the water at Bob's pool. Yeah. And let it run completely out. %. There's the infamous Stephanie Lynn Gaddie right there. Instagram fame. She's world famous. Yep. Internationally known.
Oh.